Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you were new here, my name is Jayria, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how to make the perfect plantain bread nice and yummy. So continue watching and let's start this baking video. So here I have one overripe plantain which I am going to crush until it is really soft, and this is what I'm going to use to make the plantain bread, guys. So continue watching to see how I'm going to combine all the ingredients. So once I remove my plantain from the skin, I am using a fork to crush the plantain, and I'm going to crush it until it's really soft and mushy. So now I'm going to break 2 eggs and I'm going to whisk them, then I'm going to add them to the crushed plantain. So after whisking the eggs, I now add it to the plantain mixture. Then I'm going to continue whisking, and at this point, this is when I'm going to add all my liquid ingredients. So now I'm going in with just like a 1/4 cup of milk, and I am going to whisk again. Then I'm also going to add some vanilla. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Then I am going to whisk. So each time I add an ingredient, I whisk. Then I'm also going to add just a small amount of rose water. Then I am going to whisk. So now I'm going in with 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to whisk until all the sugar is dissolved. So now I'm adding 1 stick of melted butter, and I should add the butter before the sugar, but it is baking, so it is fine. I just didn't remember to add my butter. But yes, so now I am going to combine all my dry ingredients. So I am using 1.5 cup of flour. Then I am going in with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I really love cinnamon. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm also going to add some baking soda, like 1/4 teaspoon, just to allow my plantain bread to rise. And I'm going to add some nutmeg, of course. So I'm going to grate like half of a nutmeg. Then I am going to combine all my powder mixture. Then I'm going to add it little by little to my liquid mixture. So guys, the reason why I'm not going to add all my powder ingredients at once is because I don't want my mixture to be lumpy, so it is easier to mix it in small portions than to mix everything, as I'm not using the electric whisk. I'm just using the hand whisk, and I do not want to have a lumpy or clumpy mixture. So I'm just taking my time little by little, making sure that all my dry ingredients is mixed out properly. Guys, the aroma is amazing. I can smell all of the spices. So nice. So after finish mixing the batter, I had my greased baking container set aside. So now I'm just pouring the batter into the container. Then I'm going to put it in my preheated oven on 350 degrees to bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour, guys. But what you can do at 45 minutes, you can check your bread to see how it is doing, and if it needs more time, then you can put it back in the oven for roughly 10 to 15 minutes. So this is it after 45 minutes. I think it was a bit soft, so I put it back in the oven. Now this is it at 1 hour, and I think it is perfect. So guys, this is basically how I make my nice yummy plantain bread. If you learned something from this video, please comment and let me know. Also leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please subscribe. Anything is appreciated: a like, a comment, a share, or a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and let me know what you think about my plantain bread recipe. Share and subscribe. Just leave a like, leave a comment, a share, or a subscribe, and I will see you all on my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, my plantain bread, it is delicious, and as you can see, it is looking so nice, smelling so nice, and so yummy. Bye.